Welcome to yet another nice, interesting lesson. At your view here, we have this question, 3 raised to power x minus 2 raised to power x equal to 65. What is the value of x? So, solution. So, we have 3 raised to power x minus 2 raised to power x equals to 65. So, here we can multiply this expression here separately with exponential 2 over 2. So we have 3 raised to power x exponential 2 over 2 minus 2 raised to power x exponential 2 over 2 equal to 65. We are doing this in order to simplify this so as to be able to solve for x. So here, what we then need to do is to approach it with this identity. If you have base a power n into bracket power m, so we can write that as base a power n multiplied by n, which can simply be written as bringing this out and this in, base a power m into bracket power n. So we have this. To approach this and to give us the next step as 3 raised to power x, that is 3 raised to power 2x over 2 minus 2 raised to power 2x over 2 equal to 65. So, and this can be written as 3 raised to power x over 2 into bracket power 2 minus 2 raised to power x over 2 into bracket power 2 equal to 65. From here, we let 3 raised to power x over 2 equal to a. Likewise, 2 raised to power x over 2 equal to b. So we now substitute that for what we have. So we have a raised to power 2 minus b raised to power 2 equal to 65. So here, the left-hand side appears to be the difference of 2 squared, which we can write as a plus b into bracket, open the bracket, a minus b equal to 65. So we can now simplify this 65 as a plus b into bracket, a minus b equal to 13 multiplied by 5. So we can equate this with 13 and this term with 5. We now have a plus b equal to 13, a minus b equal to 5. This will be equation 1 and this will be equation 2. Now from here, we first of all add equation 1 and 2. We add equation 1 and 2. So, and that gives us, if we add these two together, we have 2a equal to 18. Then a will be equal to 9. Same, we approach to get b, so we also subtract 2 and 1, subtract 2 and 1, equation 2 and 1. So that becomes b minus, into brackets, minus b equal to 8. So that gives us b plus b equal to 8, which means b plus b equals to 2b equal to 8. Divide both sides by 2, we have b equal to 4. So recall that a equal to 3 raised to power x over 2. Then we substitute the value of a, which is 9. So we now have 9 equal to 3 raised to power x over 2. So we now have 9 to be simplified as 3 raised to power 2 equals to 3 raised to power x over 2. So we have the base to be the same. We cancel that. We have x over 2 equal to 2. We multiply this, then we have x equal to 4. So we solve for the value of x now. That is we solve for the value of x using the value of a. Now let's try that with the value of b. So b also equal to 2 raised to power x over 2. And the value of b gives us 4. So we write that as 4 equal to 2x raised to power 2x raised to 2 raised to power x over 2. And this can be simplified as 2 power 2 equal to 2 raised to power x over 2. So we cancel out the base, then we equate the power. So we have 2 equals to x over 2. Then x, if we multiply this, we have x equal to 4. So substituting the value of x, the value of a and b, so our x equal to 4. So we are not done yet. We can confirm this by verifying that. So to verify that, from our expression, which implies 3 raised to power x minus 2 raised to power x equals to 65. So if we substitute the value of x, we have, that is at x equal to 4. So we have that 3 raised to power 4 minus 2 raised to power 4 equal to 65. 3 raised to power 4 give us 81. 2 raised to power 4 give us 16 equal to 65 question mark. So if we subtract 16 from 81, we have 65, which is equal to 65. Continue with the next video at your view here and continue to learn more about mathematics to improve your skills. And we meet in another interesting lesson. Bye.